We're Immobiliser Fit. This is a brand new 24 plate Mercedes GLC, protected with an I-96 Connect. As you see, it's only got 95 miles on. Customer picked it up yesterday once it's secure, so they've gone for the I-96 Connect. If a thief started this vehicle, put it in gear, it's going to cut out, and being the Connect that it is, the customer's also going to receive a phone call alert, so they're going to know if the car's parked around the corner, someone's in their vehicle trying to steal it. There we go. The car's giving us a ring, letting us know someone's in it trying to steal it. We don't want to get these calls every time we're driving the vehicle, so what we'll do is we'll start it. Before putting it in gear, we're going to put our code in. 1, 2, 3 is what we have for now, but obviously the customer can change that. The system disarms, we hear a tone, and we can select our gear and drive off. Customer can set their own code between 3 and 21 presses on any supported buttons, but most people don't like using the code, so they can just turn the Bluetooth on. The phone's fully adjustable with range, be locked in their pocket, just with their Bluetooth on, start the car. It will disarm through the phone and we can drive off instantly. No need to waste any time putting the code in. If they're taking it for a service, this system has a service mode, so when it goes back to Mercedes, it doesn't stall out, doesn't call you, it's just a normal vehicle. To do that, we'll go into the Starline key app, we'll press and hold on here. This green circle is going to spin round and go yellow. Keep holding until it does. We let go once it's yellow, we get 2 bleeps. As you see, it remains yellow. This is now a normal car for Mercedes to road test, service, do what they need to do. Totally up to them. They can keep it for as long as they want, not going to be a problem. When you get it back, do the same process in reverse, press and hold while it spins round, keep holding until it's green. Let go, we get 2 bleeps and the system's back on. If we want to change the code on the system, the push sequence that we use if the phone's gone flat or it's not with us, first we turn the ignition on. We have to prove it's us before we can move any further, so we use the current code of 1, 2, 3. We hear the disarm tone. Now we'll press one of the buttons 5 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn it off and then double press on the Mercedes back on. We get 5 bleeps, and now we can put our new code in, so every time we press the supported button, we're going to know and we're going to get a bleep. So if we pop our code in, 1, 2, 3, 4, wait for a confirmation tone, and repeat it again. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got the second tone, exactly the same as the first. That means our new code's set and we can turn the vehicle off. This can be a minimum of 3 presses to a maximum of 21, as you see, across multiple buttons. So now when we start the car, before we put it in gear, we'll put the code in. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We hear the disarm tone, we can drive away. That's our new code set. This is the I-96 Connect. So once again, this calls your phone under an attack. So if someone got in, copied the key, done a relay attack, or had this actual physical key, broke into your house for it, went to drive away, the car cuts out when they put it in gear, as you see, and we also get a phone call. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.